Maulana Riyazur Rahman Rashadi, the Imam and Khatib of Jamia Masjid, Bangalore, expired today in the holy city of Makkah in Saudi Arabia while performing Hajj. Maulana Riyazur Rahman Rashadi was serving as the Imam of the Masjid since 1983. He was one of the eminent personalities who magnificently transferred the Masjid into a center of Islamic activities as an initiating step for the betterment of the society, following on the lines of Masjid Nabawi. Renowned for his eloquent discourses and Friday afternoon speeches, Khutbat-e-Jummah, he was also a writer for the religious columns in various Urdu newspapers. He has also served many social and religious organizations in different capacities, including Karnataka Muslim Muttahid Mahaz Milli Council, and he was a principal founder of Jamia Ulum institutions. Born in Gonibid village, Mudigire Taluk in Chikmagalur district, he had graduated from a premier Islamic institution from the city, Madrasa Sabilur Rashad. Apart from his services in the field of education, economic upliftment and empowerment of Muslim women through education, Maulana's contribution in bonding Muslims of all sects together is worthy of mention. He always discouraged sections of ulema and people from distinguishing Muslims on the lines of masaliks. He encouraged and recommended promoting unity among all maslaks of Muslims on the basis of Ummat-e-Wahida, one community. He would often say, let them follow what is dear to them as per their maslak, while you follow what you think is right. No one can or no one should judge others' faith. All can live together peacefully and promote unity, and this is the basis of the Deen religion. Maulana Riyazur Rahman Rashadi passed away this morning at 7:30 the Saudi time. Earlier he was admitted to the ICU of the hospital in Makkah city yesterday after he complained of ill health. Namaz-e-Janaza was performed at Masjid-e-Haram in Makkah after Isha Namaz and buried at Jannatul Mu'alla according to the sources. Maulana Rashadi was a member of All India Milli Council and founder principal of Jamia Ulum Bangalore, which runs several educational institutions. Leaders of many Muslim and non-Muslim communities have condoled the sad demise of Maulana Riyazur Rahman Rashadi. A few prominent among them are Maulana Rabi Hassan Nadwi, President All India Muslim Person Law Board, Maulana Khadir Ahmad, and others.